Hello, my dear friends. I've got raw milk right here. It even has some cream forming, if you can appreciate that through the video. So let's talk about raw milk. Why raw milk is superior to pasteurized milk or ultra pasteurized milk, right? So raw milk has a lot more beneficial enzymes, diverse probiotics, lactase producing bacteria, healthy fats, CLA, DHA, EPA, all the different healthy fats, proteins, bioavailable vitamins, bioavailable calcium, bioavailable phosphorus, and more. So a lot of those things could get destroyed with the high temperatures that are used for pasteurization and ultra pasteurization. It's also the raw milk, and I'm getting this information from the Raw Milk Institute, is beneficial, and it showed in several large studies for lowering ear infections, asthma, allergies, and eczema. It increases probiotic lactobacillus in the gut. It is lost if you heat it to 146 degrees, so try to consume it raw. So one of the favorite recipes that we make in the house with raw milk, of course, you can make kefir and yogurt. And I use cultures for those and make my own kefir and yogurt, and it's super easy to do. But one way you can satisfy the sweet cravings in kids, you can collect the cream of raw milk, whip it, and then add a little bit of maple syrup or honey, something, some other sweetener that you prefer, and it's really delicious, fluffy, and could be used for pancakes, for desserts, eaten with a spoon, right? Another thing that concerns people when they think about raw milk, they really think about brucellosis. Oh, there is this bacteria floating around and people get sick. Well, if you really look at the history of brucellosis, if you really look into what really happened, then you'll be surprised that it was a bit of misleading, and I provided in my article in the post. So if you're not intolerant to milk, if you're not sensitive to milk, you're welcome to find a farmer around your area and consume raw milk in all its products. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I'll be happy to discuss. Thank you. I hope everybody's doing well.